So next is nurse's responsibility in washing of hair on bed. Check the physician's order to see the specific precautions, if any, for the movement and positioning of the patient. So we must see the certain precautions examined by the physicians, if any, for the movement and positioning of the patient. Assess the general condition of the patient, the condition of the scalp and hair, and the need of the shampoo. We must evaluate the general condition of the patient, that what is the condition of the scalp and hair, or if the patient need for shampoo or shampooing the hair. Check the patient's preference for soap, shampoo, oil, etc. So, we must check the patient's choice for soap, shampoo, oil, etc. Assess the patient's mental state to follow direction. So, we must assess the patient's mental state, his mind states, to follow the directions. Check the articles available in the unit. We must check the articles available in the unit. So next is preparation of the patient and unit. Explain the procedure to the patient, explain sequence of the procedure and the way patient can assist. First of all, we must explain the procedure to the patient and also explain the sequence of the procedure and the way patient can assist. Remove unnecessary items from work area. So we must remove all unnecessary items from work area. Place the articles needed conveniently on the bedside table. So we must place the article that is needed comfortably on the bedside table. Adjust the bed to the comfortable working of the nurse. So we must adjust properly the bed that it can be comfortable for us to do work. Close the windows and put off fan to prevent drafts. So we must close the windows and switch on the fan to prevent drafts. Means a current of cool air in a room so that patient can feel comfortable. Provide privacy. So we must provide privacy to the patient. Remove top linen or pan, fold them to the foot end of the bed, leaving a sheet or bath blanket over the patient. So, remove top linen or pan and fold them to the foot end of the patient and cover the patient with a sheet or bath blanket. Keep the client flat and remove extra pillows and backrest. So, keep the client back and remove all unnecessary extra pillows and backrest. Unless contraindicated, move the patient's head and shoulders to the edge of the bed. Place the pillow under the shoulders so that the head is slightly tilted back. So place the pillow under the shoulders so that the head is slightly tilted backward. Protect the pillow and bed with small mackintosh and towel. So cover the pillow and bed with a towel and with a small macking Make an improvised through Kelly pad and place it under the head to facilitate the drainage of water into a receptacle. Means make an improvised through Kelly pad and place it under the head to facilitate the flow of water into a receptacle. Receptacle means it is a container. To make a through, take a newspaper and Macintosh, fold it into horseshoe shape and tie the edge. Horseshoe shape means it is like a U shape. The device is positioned under the head of the patient with the open flat one towards the side of the bed. Place the bucket on the low stool close to the side of the bed. The distal and Macintosh is received into it. So place the bucket close to the side of the bed on the low stool so that the distal and Macintosh is received into it. Plug the ears with cotton balls. Fill the ears with cotton balls. Place a washcloth or a face towel over eyes to protect the eyes. Cover the eyes with washcloth or face towel to protect the eyes.